Talking about stuff that live rent free in my head, I swear down Chelsea has got to be the worst tenant, bro. Get out of my head. I swear, oh boy, I hate Chelsea. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Bro, like, how do we just get, bro, I just don't understand. Boy, I hate playing against Chelsea. I just don't understand. Boy, like, if there were rooms in my head, bro, I wouldn't give the last one to Chelsea. I swear down, not even for free, bro. Get out of my head, bro. I seriously hate Chelsea. Oh, God, I hate Chelsea, Jesus Christ. Like, how do I even watch a match and not even get happy? Boy, like, why? No, seriously. Ah, boy. Why does it always have to be Chelsea? Why? Bro, like, we have got Chelsea next week here, and I swear down we are holding smoke again. Boy, I know they understand. 3 back to back, and we can't even score a goal. Come on, how much stress, bro? How much stress can a human being take? I support Ghana and I support Tottenham Hotspur again, bro. Boy, like, at the end of each and every season, we have got to go to the therapist, bro, for a brain check. Jesus Christ. No creativity. We barely score goals against a team. Bro, why are we cursed, bro? No, seriously. Tottenham Hotspur versus Liverpool have to stop being the most cursed. It has to be Tottenham Hotspur versus Chelsea. Boy, he just debore me. He seriously just debore me. Like, how do you waste Bando? Like, bro, nah. I don't care. From now on, yeah, I am moving like Hawkeye and I am not giving myself hope. Boy, don't give me hope because we can't do anything against Chelsea. Boy, the game was ended, bro. The game was taken away from us immediately. That Posio, bro. Immediately, whoa, King Nazir. Immediately that flipping Pawn Star, bro. Immediately that guy scored the goal. Boy, the game just ended. There's nothing we could do about it. We just had to be passers by. You understand? Just like my country. I swear down here, if there was a question that says state the similarities between the team you support, bro, I'll get A in that course, bro. No creativity. We barely score goals and we are trashing out embarrassingly from each and every competition that we indulge in. Boy, it's seriously bad. It's seriously bad. And as for this one, oh my God, I am not putting the blame on each and every human being because, bro, we turned up for the game. We're not getting ahead of ourselves like we're going to score 3 goals. Bro, I said it, bro. I said it, we're not going to score 3 goals. Like what? A Premier League Ajax, bro. Bro, these man are grown-ups, bro. These men are not children. Nah. What? Martins Delay. Even Ziyech, bro. Ziyech have no day Ajax again. So there was no way we're going to score 3 goals against these people. Not even without Son, bro. Or even with Son. Charlie, it's seriously bad. And I don't care. Because, bro, we need players ASAP, bro. I am not putting the blame on each and every human being. Bro, this is on Daniel Levy, bro. Daniel fucking Levy. What? Boy, Paratici, or whatever his name is, and Hitchin. That man are what? On the pitch. What are you doing there? Bro, the market is open. Go buy players. Why are you doing at the stadium? You know, buy players. We are halfway into January. You are still sitting now watching matches, bro. Bro, you don't need to buy a season ticket. Every match you go attend be free. So what are you doing? Boy, so what were you watching on the pitch, bro? How do you watch this team? How do you watch this team and get happy of? Boy, you man are growing grey hair abnormally because you watch Tottenham Hotspur. Do the right thing for once, bro. Do the right thing for once. Boy, we have to sell players. These players can't get out of the door, so we have to keep using them. You have to, bro, that's like wearing dirty shirts over and over again without washing them or probably changing them in this case. But bro, it's seriously bad. And well, all I can say is I hate Chelsea. I swear down. Seriously, like, we can't do anything against Chelsea. We've got them next week, and we probably would have to sit back and enjoy us getting slapped again. But bro, no. Like, seriously, so I know they like Chelsea, but it's just bad, boy. I can't lie. But yeah, it's always what it is. It's always at the semi-finals or even the finals each and every season. You get knocked out by a London rival, Arsenal, Chelsea, whoever. I don't really care about I don't really care about who Arsenal and Liverpool or whoever they are going to. Bro, I don't care. Tottenham Hotspur have lost. We are out of the Carabao Cup, and bro, it's another trophyless season. We would have to be flipping without silvers, bro. The only silvers we are having are the ones in our kitchens, bro. You understand? But yeah, it's Chelsea bad, bro. I hate Chelsea, bro. I hate Chelsea. Bro, Antonio Conte, my man said he started Golini because of respect, bro. Bro, this guy has barely had 5 apps under you, and you start him in what? The second leg of, bro, this ain't a tribute, bro. About due to respect you had for him, bro. Fuck the respect, bro. Bro, what was you gonna read you on the bench? What was you doing in the corner? Boy, it wasn't your meeting. Like, you weren't invited in that corner. Stay in your pool and wedge the ball. See what you go do. Boy, we have got problems. We have got problems. But yeah, man, it is what it is. Tottenham Hotspur 0, Chelsea 1. Boy, I'm out, bro. I swear down. We are hoping for next season, my bro. If Chelsea will come next season to our home, bro. When it comes to Chelsea, we are homeless, bro. We don't have a pitch. These people, they score we home and away. Why? Liverpool, we score Liverpool, we score City, we score Arsenal. But who you know they score for Chelsea? Boy, nah. Charlie, I'm done, fam. I'm done with Daniel Levy, Charlie. So yeah, hit the like button, subscribe if you are new. I'll be back with a review of whatever matches, man. I'm out.